Uwi na tayo.
Sorry.
Kaya na ng mga tao yan. Good na lang yun.
Like it's 2:28 in the morning. Sorry.
Ay, napaka. My goodness. Kantok. Oras na ba? Chat 2:28. Drive muna tayo.
You don't just get to use that pag iikot ka na, pag mag-turn ka na. No. Signal the person behind you. Even if you're just like a minor turn, if you're gonna switch lanes, use your turn signal. It is there for a reason. It is not just to make cute sounds, okay? Alright.
Chill drive lang tayo.
I say
Chill.
this with a passion. I want to remind you again, in the next couple of weeks, I will do that. But for now, welcome to Adult Things from Shy. For today's topic, I want to talk about people with
Grabe, na-realize ko. Hindi ko pala pangarap dati ito.
you know what dinks are? Have you ever heard of
Kotse,
dinks?
motor,
As in
bahay.
people with dual
property.
income, no kids.
Ba pangarap ko?
Is that currently what you're looking at?
Ay, napa.
Yeah, that's probably what you're currently looking at. It's probably
Sinete
something
lang
that
ba?
passed by your Facebook feed of some sort. But yeah, again, it's people with dual income and no kids. It's a whole life stage. It's a whole completely different thing from what, you know, the traditional.
Pag mag-isa ka, ma-realize mo yung mga ano eh, nangyayari.
Usually,
Yung mga nangyari
in
ba?
earlier times,
Nangyari
it's
sa
only
buhay.
the father who, the man,
Yung
the
better
house,
focus.
brings in the money.
Experience pa rin.
And then normally it's a lot of kids, at least one or two maybe, yeah. And this whole dip thing,
Kung di ako nagka-business,
it's not something new, but it's
sa
something
site pa ako ngayon siguro.
that a lot of
Trabaho, tapos
traditionalists
habol
frown
over to.
on. Me, if
Ay,
I
nako.
were to have, you know, a partner in life, I think I would still follow.
Ngayon,
the
nagdadrive na
lifestyle.
ako. Sarili
I
kong
don't have
kotse pa.
kids, and I would rather just take care of
Galing.
pets. And a lot of people, again, the traditionalists have a problem with that kasi parang they say something like, you won't know that you can enjoy the whole family lifestyle until you have one. So why not try to sisi kapag katanda mo, etc., etc. There's a lot of arguments against dinks, but we're gonna be talking about, you know, why you can try it out. If you haven't, if you already
Yes lang talaga, best.
you can try it out. So we'll talk about that and the benefits, I would say, of being
Thank you, Lord. Oh yeah, baby.
It's dual income, by the way, for those who don't know. For those who don't know,
Ah, maganda pumunta ngayon.
partners.
Aga pa eh. 2:30 pa lang.
For now, relaxing music mix. Once again, my name is Shy. I will check in with you later, but for
The
now,
fuck is this?
stay good.